Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the AuroraCalm Sunlight Alarm Clock and White Noise Machine. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course, let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, starts with power cable on the top. And inside, we get our main device here. And then somewhere in there was a instruction manual. So we have kind of a quick start guide, instruction manual, warranty information, certification, stuff like that. So let's see that this is very well wrapped. So we'll get this out of the bubble wrap here. It's great looking. As you can see, it's got a kind of this canvas on top of it all around. Sorry, you see your nightlight dimmer, high, low, and then your display dimmer, low and high. Power cord cable will go into the back. You'll have some nubs on here, as well as the ability to put in 2 AAA batteries as backup in case you lose power. You'll have some Bluetooth, power, volume up and down, it looks like, as well as on the top here we'll have our sleep timer, sunrise, duration, time set, snooze, alarm set, and again just kind of the directionals for the sets. So let's go ahead and plug it in and show you what it looks like here. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to show you the look of it, and then as mentioned, kind of the ability to dim. I'm going to actually turn off some lights here so you get a better feel for the dimming. I'm actually going to take off the light in the room and work from that. All right, so yes, there is some light in the room still, but I just wanted to kind of give you an idea on the ability to dim this. Very low, you can kind of see it's still there, so all the way up to it's kind of the brightest, and then we'll go ahead and turn on the other light. Before we do that, as mentioned, there's a Bluetooth connection. There's also kind of just a music connection where it'll play its own music. And it goes all the way up to 32 as far as the volume. And then all the way down. So you can almost barely hear it. So it's there, I can hear it, but probably not coming through on the phone. Anyway, let's go ahead and show you the main light. All right, so showing off the kind of the main light, that's going to utilize your snooze button. It's got a lot of different colors, so as you can kind of see, we have, sorry, let me get back to L1. L1 is your main color, and again, we can dim this, make it really bright. We'll go ahead and show the next. So as you can see, there's some really great colors here, beautiful colors as a matter of fact. And of course the main benefit is, on the top we already kind of discussed being able to set your alarm. And so you can set this to kind of wake you up with visual or audio, a lot of different functions. So this thing's beautiful. I really like the color scheme capabilities. I mean, that's like a nice blue light to kind of wake you up in the morning. And again, dimmable, so like if you get bothered by really bright lights, this will probably be enough to wake you up, and this will probably jump you out of bed. But the point being is that this thing's totally awesome. So to me, definitely worth buying. Again, it's kind of really nice looking light. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.